Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing well. Today, we are going to see how to apply law of assumption in any situation to get the desired result. We all watch a lot of YouTube videos and read different books from different authors about the law of assumption. But even after reading and listening to all these, people still find it difficult to practically apply the law to change the state of consciousness to manifest any desire in any situation. So, in this video, let's learn the solution to this problem. I'm going to teach you three important things that you need to know to change the outcome of any situation by changing your state of consciousness. The first one is choice. In any situation, you always have two choices. A choice to accept what you see in your 3D reality or assume a new assumption about the situation. It's always the belief that we have that is manifesting. So, if you accept the current situation, then you are believing it to be true and it will happen. So, assuming a new assumption about the situation can create new belief and you can manifest that into your reality. The choice is always yours. The second one is a new assumption. Your state of consciousness is always affected by the assumption you are assuming in this present situation. For example, when you see that you are running late to catch a train, do you assume that you will be late for sure? Or do you assume that you are gonna reach there on time no matter what happens? Your end result is always going to be the assumption you believe to be true. And the third one is your state of consciousness. Your state of consciousness represents what you feel in this all situation. For example, when you know you are late for the train, the feelings associated with it are stress, frustration, and disappointment. Likewise, when you assume you are on time to catch the train, the feelings associated are relaxed, cool, and calm. Since you are aware of these three things that I mentioned, now start making deliberate changes step by step. Make your choice of reality and assume the desire you wish to see to be true and persist in the state of calmness knowing it is done. That's it. As a creator, your job is done. Now, just live in the knowing that whatever you have assumed is done, period. No doubts, no questions, no fear, and no negative thoughts for the how and when. Your subconscious mind will take care of it. So that's it, guys. Hope you learn how to change your circumstances using law of assumption from this video. We'll reach you with another topic in the next video. Thank you for watching and supporting.